Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah. In a cozy little cottage where laughter rings clear, 5 ducks storm their aprons with nary a fear. With feathers all fluffed and eyes shining bright, they quacked of adventures that filled the day's light. The first duck named Daisy took charge of the broom. She swept through the hallway, dispelling all gloom. With each graceful stroke she danced on the floor, singing sweet tunes that made hearts want more. Next came dear Donald with soap and a pail. He scrubbed at the windows while telling a tale of sunlit reflections and skies painted blue. Each bubble that popped brought forth laughter anew. Then Penelope waddled with sponges galore, diving into corners no one could ignore. Her spirit was playful as she wrung out the cloths. Together she quacked, we'll banish all sloths. Gus was the thinker, he pondered aloud. How do we make this mess dance in a crowd? With rhythm and purpose his mind set aflame, he turned cleaning chores into fun-filled games. Last was young Clara, so sprightly and small. She giggled at dust bunnies hiding by walls. With giggles contagious that warmed every heart, she gathered them up like fine works of art. As they worked side by side in harmony's flow, their friendship grew stronger. Together they'd glow. In every look cleaned and every chore done, they found joy in sharing this life full of fun.
We're getting them all out.
If ever you wander past homes that shine bright, remember 5 ducks who brought spark to their plight. In laughter and teamwork they taught us to see.
It's absolutely spotless.
That love fills our spaces like bubbles from tea. 5 ducks in a house, 5 ducks in a house, 5 ducks in a house, 5 ducks in a house. In a quaint little house where the sunbeams play, 5 ducks waddle softly through morning's bright ray. With feathers like butter and beaks kissed by gold, they quack out their stories, both playful and bold. 5 ducks in a house, 5 ducks in a house. One duck named Louie is curious still. He peeks out the window, his heart starts to thrill. He dreams of the rivers where wild waters flow, while imagining adventures wherever they go. 5 ducks in a house, 5 ducks in a house. Then sweet Daisy quivers with laughter and cheer. She dances on cushions, her joy draws them near. With flutters of wings that can brighten a room, she brings life to shadows and chases off gloom.
Quiet old Mabel sits perched by the door,
her gaze cast beyond as she thinks of before, of nights spent in moonlight on soft silver streams, where echoes of ripples would cradle her dreams. The brothers, 2 twins named Pip and Squeak Bright, get tangled in mischief from morning till night. They splash in the puddles with giggles so loud, creating a ruckus that gathers a crowd. Yet when twilight settles with stars shining clear, they gather together, no need for more cheer. Their hearts intertwined like the roots of an oak, in whispers they share every dream that they spoke.
5 little ducks in their warm feathered nest,
each has their own story, each knows they're blessed, with love overflowing like rivers do flow. Together they flourish wherever they go. So here's to this house filled with laughter and grace, to moments remembered that time can't erase. May we learn from these ducks as we wander apart, that home is not just where you stay,
it's your heart.
5 ducks in a house, 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 5 ducks in a house,
5 ducks in a house, 5 house.
Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.